り越してったいよいよ三次世界戦争だ
For your first marathon, you'll want to dress in layers. We're looking for warmth, comfort, and fashion. You might also want some items for after your run too. Be sure to think of every possible thing you could need. Turns out you won't use a single thing when you actually finish, but it's the day before running and you're trying to calm your nerves. Next are items you have to carry. There are no water stations where you're going, so become a camel and attach 2 liters of water to your back. People tell you that nutrition is important during the run, but you didn't train with any gels or special food, so you can just stuff some jellies and raisins into a bag and hope for the best. You'll want to run with your cellular device and some electronic money too. Be sure to share your location in case bad things happen. Optional, run with a GoPro. Half the footage will be unusable, but you're trying to justify the impulse buy you made a couple weeks back. Now that everything is prepared, all you have to do is wait for the sun to go down and try to sleep somehow. You probably won't forget your shoes before running, but for the sake of passing the time, you can put them together with everything else. I also recommend some comfortable shoes for after the run, the shoes that a better you will get to wear after running your first marathon.
Good morning.
Got banana. How are you feeling, sir?
It's great.
Mr. Uber driver.
Here for hope. For starting our day, I'm eating bananas. Hope already ate hers, but she's now eating buttered noodles.
With salt.
With salt.
Okay, Google. When does the sun rise today?
Today, sunrise is at 6:38 a.m.
We leave at sunrise.
Our lovely Hope is getting ready for some time. And the starting line is over there.
I'll start on that sidewalk. All right, thank you. Back to you. Okay, 9.24 miles in, an hour 25 minutes. I don't know, keep going. I feel all right. I'm gonna finish. That's about it.
We're half of the way to being broken hearted. We're half of the way unless you let me in. We're half of the way from being back to the start. So don't love me half of the way.
Past the halfway point, and here is Hope. We're driving up on her now. We got a stoplight. Ah! Woo! Let's go!
Entering Newton at 16 miles, 2 hours, 44 minutes.
We just passed a Hope Street. I hope she sees that sign. Let's go, Hope! Keep it up, honey. Going strong. You got this.
Well,
Okay. Got it. Woo!
The moment I finished, I started to cry. I didn't care that other people were around me enjoying their Sunday afternoon along the Charles. I didn't have a single thought in my mind. And then my abs started to hurt, and I needed to breathe. So I forced myself to stop crying and shuffled over to my friends waiting for me. I did a fake finish, we walked together for a bit, and then I did my third and final finish.
here she comes! Woo! All right! Woo! Woo! Yay!
Congrats!
Thank you so much.
Woohoo!
I finished back at the bridge.
Oh.
Even though I was a lot slower than I had hoped, it's still my fastest marathon yet. This will definitely not be my last marathon. I'm very grateful for all the support I received throughout this experience. Thanks to my friends and family, it was a milestone I did not have to achieve alone.
Phew.